Hey guys, welcome to today's video. It's another day, another time to get our sewing machine in order, clean it up so that it's nice and ready for the new year. And like with the other machine, this machine you don't really need to oil apart from just one place, and I'll show you guys where that is. But I have my same tools, my brush, just a regular paint brush, my loop turner, which I used to pick up dirt, big chunks of dirt, and a smaller detail brush, just the same thing basically, and some tissue paper to clean up things. That small brush is for detail work, like if I need to get into smaller places. And this machine is the Pfaff Tipmatic 6122. Okay, I've been promising to clean her for shame, Choma, almost 2 years, and I haven't done so. But today is the day. Last video for the year, guys. I feel like this is a nice way to end the year. So first of all, we'll unplug our sewing machine and take out the needle. We don't want to have the machine start off frantically or poke us, and that is very important, guys. Don't forget to do that. So I am just taking out the compartment, which I will also clean. And you can see all this dirt. The sewing machine was clean on the outside when I got it, Then I take out the bobbin case, and then we will open up the guts of the machine, which is where the real cleaning takes place. But this machine also has a walking foot, so if that is down, you disengage it, you take it up. Like I said, take out the needle. Yeah, that's how you take out the plate, guys. Very easy. You just pop it up and pop it back in. No screws to mess with. That's so nice. How is the Christmas holiday treating you guys? I hope everyone is nice and well. I hope you're seeing your family and your friends, and you all are having a good old time despite all the bad news happening, it might seem, happening everywhere in the world. Anyways, again with this video, again with this video, no ASMR, I'm sorry. Just have a nice time watching me clean my machine. Okay, guys? So I just wanted to say, while cleaning the machine, you should also take down the walking foot. Okay, I'll show you. See me doing it now. I take it down and take it back up so that you can also clean around there. So when I'm done with the brush, I like to go over with a rag. Just that actually wipes out the dirt. You're sure it's actually gone, and the dust are supposed to, the brush might just move things around. Now this is the part of the sewing machine where I'm telling you that is the only point you need to oil, like 1 or 2 drops, which is what I did. And I hope you guys can actually see where I put the oil. I'll do it again so you see. It's on that particular spot there by the corner, and then you turn the hand wheel so that the oil can run through and spread, right? Then when you're done, you can take a tissue paper and dab out excess oil. Not every dab, just a dab or two to get out the excess oil. Okay. So now that we're done, we'll put back our bobbin in our bobbin case and put the bobbin case back in. You put on the needle plate back in, and it's so easy. You just press it in and it should click to tell you that it has that it's on properly, and everything should be flush, so that when you're sewing, your fabric moves in a smooth line. Then I'm also taking a rag and cleaning the actual body of the sewing machine. Then I use the brush as well, just especially where those handles lay, like dust gets in there, and I'm really picky about that area, so I like to clean there as well. So we put back everything. We put back our foot and put back the needle. Then now I'm just going to clean that storage compartment. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. I'll let you guys enjoy. And now, just like with the Brother Innovis 35P or any other sewing machine that you clean, you need to test with fabric to make sure that you have put in everything correctly. Okay, first you crank a bit with your hand wheel, right, just to make sure, because things could break in a second if you just slam your foot on the foot pedal immediately. And like I was saying, this is the second machine. No, this is my third machine I'm cleaning. The first one I did was for my dressmaker 270D. That one was alive. And the second one I did was for my Brother Innovis 35P. I'll be sure to link all those for you guys, so you see that as well, in case you do have that sewing machine. But as you can see, that's some of the excess oil came out in there, but that looks good. I'm going to try some more with different sewing lengths and different tensions, and I'm going to do some reverse stitches as well. You need to really make sure, check the sound of your machine. Does it sound nice? Does it sound smoother? Oh, and I forgot to say, you need to start with a fresh sharp needle. That helps as well. Okay, yeah, everything seems nice, going smoothly. Okay guys, we're about wrapping up here, and I can't wait for 2025. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, share where you share fun stuff. It has been fun. All the stitches look nice and well spaced, and yeah guys, can't wait to see you in 2025. Peace. Check out other videos on the channel. Okay. Okay guys, don't forget there's a whole playlist on this sewing machine and every other thing. I'll see you guys in the next year. Bye.